Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this beautiful floral backdrop. You guys would not believe how easy and it was a very quick DIY, so I can't wait to show you guys what I did. It took from beginning to end about 10 minutes, honestly, to construct it, put everything together. Alright, so what you will need will be these zip ties. I purchased these from Amazon. A tape measure, because you want to definitely measure your space, like if you're using a wall for a backdrop. This is 4 feet by 4 feet, and it's basically a perfect square, and it fits behind my desk perfectly. You will need additional flowers. I purchased these from Amazon, and I will link everything, so if you guys want to find what I found, you can. And these are very realistic looking roses and flower panels. I will actually put the picture of it so you guys can know where to find it, but I've actually purchased the flower panels from Michael's, so stay tuned. And I did forget to mention that I used a total of 16 flower panels to give me this look, and they are $16.99 at Michael's. The flower panels, I will admit, they were kind of hard to find in stores, so you may have to order some online and then get some in your local store. So hope that helps. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a 5-minute flower wall. My intentions for this wall is for it to be a backdrop and for my office / craft room. So you're going to need these panels. I bought these panels from Michael's, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like behind. Okay, so it has the grid in the back and in the front. You will need extra flowers to fill in the spaces. You can get it from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, in your craft store, even Dollar Tree. You're going to need zip ties. Alright, now the panels at Michael's are great because you can snap them together. So these are 2 flower panels that are already snapped together. But for extra security, I am going to use the zip ties to make sure that they're secure together.